Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1951 Austin A40. It's a little bit modified. Got Ralph here, the owner, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Ralph? So it's got a 350 in it?
That's correct.
Okay.
All reworked.
Okay.
It's got the double Camel humps.
Hump heads?
Heads.
Okay.
And, totally rebuilt. 0 miles on it.
Okay.
And the transmission is a 350, totally reworked.
Cool. Does it have a stall in it or anything like that?
And the rear is a Dana 44 out of Chrysler. And the front end is an Opal GT front end with disc brakes, all reworked.
It's got a rack
it's
from
got
Opal.
Rack-N-Pinion all done.
Okay.
The car is pretty much completed. I don't have a radiator for it. I'm working on that.
Okay.
But it's a sweet car.
It is.
I've
Very
always
unique.
Watched them at Dover drag strips, beating those Anglias.
It looks just like an Anglia, Ralph.
Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah. It was a time and a place when the Willies were hot. And these things actually beat them because they were shorter wheelbase and were easier to manage, the horsepower. A lot of them used Chrysler motors and everything.
Cool.
So it's a real beautiful car. The whole frame is original but boxed.
Okay, to handle the power.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
It's a sturdy car. It's good to go.
What kind of gas tank's under there?
Yeah, it's out of an S10 truck.
Oh, okay.
So that's about 16 gallons.
Good. Well, super unique car. Sitting on slotted mags. BF Goodrich tires in the back. Definitely a little bit of a project. These guys, they convert the 4 doors into 2 doors, which is pretty neat. Body looks super solid. Ralph's owned this car for many, many years. Got BF Goodrich tires up front too. Very solid. There it is, 350. Pretty fresh. Edelbrock carburetor. What kind of carb is this? A 600?
Yeah, it's Edelbrock, right?
Yeah, Edelbrock. Looks like a 600.
That was all rebuilt.
Chrome alternator.
I had it running just one day.
Okay. Electronic ignitions. Got headers. Edelbrock Performer high-rise manifold. Pretty simple. There's a Rack-N-Pinion up front, like you said. Thin valve covers. The frame's been boxed. That's a unique project. K&N Air Filter. 97 needs a radiator and some button up. Independent up front. Body's super straight. Nice big wheel on the back. Definitely a vintage slotted mag. Cool. Got a back seat. Bucket. S10 tank. About 17 gallons, he said. Tilt wheel. Original floors. Shifter. Some other miscellaneous parts. It's a Dana 44 under here. He said it's from a Jeep. It's pretty solid. Disc up front, trim in the rear. I think you could order these out of the Sears catalog back in the day, right, Ralph? Turbo 350. Oh, nice. There's underneath. Chrome oil pan with fins. Very unique. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.